So you have a Pocket 3 and you're looking for some basic cinematic moves that you can easily do? Well, stay tuned as I have 8 gimbal moves for you. Dolly slider. Holding the Pocket 3 in two hands in a vertical position, slowly move the gimbal to the side in a slow and steady speed. Keep the Pocket 3 as level as you can in a horizontal plane. Increase the distance of the slider move by shifting the weight from one foot to the other and leaning slightly. You can increase the distance even further by stepping to the side with one leg and leaning even further to the side. Just be sure to keep balance and still keep the Pocket 3 as level as possible. Horizontal pan. Again, holding the Pocket 3 in two hands in a vertical position, slowly rotate the Pocket 3 in a horizontal pan axis, left or right, letting the gimbal head do all the work. For an extra larger pan, rotate your body at the same time in sync with the gimbal. But don't pan too fast and keep the pan smooth and slow in order not to cause it to become jerky. Crane jib. With the Pocket 3 in a vertical or diagonal position, slowly and steadily raise up the Pocket 3 in a straight line vertically, perhaps to the head level or down as far as you need. If you need a larger range of motion, bend your knees and reach up even higher. Good to exercise your knees if you are of a certain age anyway. The vertical tilt. This one is easy, just slowly tilt the Pocket 3 upward or downward using the tilt axis. Push forward. For this shot, keep the Pocket 3 vertical or at a slight angle, and as steady as you can, walk slowly forward, bending your knees slightly and becoming soft-footed to minimize vertical camera shake. The pull back. If you can do the push forward, then this is just a move in the reverse. A little bit more tricky in that you walk backwards rather than forward. The orbit. An interesting one this, aim for the subject in the center of the screen and then walk in a semicircle around the object, trying to keep it in the center of the frame as much as you can. It's actually quite difficult to do this move as you're going to need full concentration. The crab slider. The crab slider is an extension of the dolly slider to cover a larger distance. Simply pick a large subject like a building or perhaps a wall and walk sideways like a crab, keeping the gimbal facing forward. So there you have it, my 8 gimbal moves that you can easily do with your DJI Pocket 3. Practice them until they become second nature. Thanks for watching and I shall see you soon.